What I have today, the SUV with the BMW badge. Yep, it's the 2014 BMW X6 xDrive35i. And thank you to Brian Harris BMW for letting me come out to film the 2014 BMW X6 xDrive35i. Come check them out if you're ever in need of a quality vehicle with great service. They are located at 12336 Airline Highway, Baton Rouge, Louisiana 70817. Beautiful or bizarre, bulky or bold, you see the BMW X6. It's a polarizing design, and that can go a long way towards cementing a vehicle place in both a brand lineup and in people's mind. The 2014 BMW X6 carries forward with only minor updates for the new model year, but it's still turning heads as quickly as ever. One of the first to bend genes between the SUV, crossover, and coupe, the X6 remains among the most unusual of production luxury vehicles on the road. Up front, you see the xenon adaptive headlight with auto leveling and Corona headlight rings, halogen freeform fog lights with cornering light function as well as retractable headlight washer, park distance control built into the bumper, shadowline exterior trim, intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers, with Sport Activity Package, this one offers 20-inch alloy wide spoke wheels, fender turn signal light on the fender, xDrive35i logo on the door letting people know the difference. The back is so unique and stylish that you don't see this design on many vehicles. Integrated LED tail lamp, dual round chrome tip exhaust as well as built-in parking sensor on the bumper. The car does come with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The car does come with soft close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it's okay. The interior features two-tone colors, black on the dash and door panels, with oyster Nevada leather and dark bamboo wood trim. Alright, let's start it up. Push button ignition with your foot on the brake. Push the button to start. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6-cylinder, pushing out 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds. That is plenty of power, but not really enough to seem truly quick for a vehicle this size. EPA estimated gas mileage are 17 city and 24 highway. The X6 interior design is conventional, with elegantly contoured surfaces outfitted in tasteful, even classic, color schemes, and rich materials. All 4 windows are fully automatic. The 2 front seats feature 10-way power adjustable driver and passenger seats and 2-position memory system for driver seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors. 4-way adjustable power lumbar support for front seats, as well as 3-stage heated seats. Light control, fog light, dual air vent on the driver's side. The 3-spoke sport design steering wheel is wrapped in leather with silver accenting in the middle, featuring multi-function control side-by-side, which was designed to conveniently change the setting without having to move your hand away from the wheel. Also have the paddle shifter behind the wheels. Large multimedia screen. And the beautiful dark bamboo wood trim on the dash. Double air vent in the middle. Door lock. Hazard light. Dual climate control. Multimedia control. Ashtray and cigarette lighter. Double cup holder. Alright, to move the gearbox, press the unlock button, pull down for drive, up for reverse, and down for neutral. Press the P for park. Next to the gearbox is the multimedia control, media, menu, telephone, nav, radio, back option. You can also turn the knob around to move around, up, down, right, left, and press down to select. There's your parking brake, center storage compartment, with USB and auxiliary input, a 12-volt power outlet, two-way power glass moonroof with one-touch operation, sliding interior sunshade, and wind deflector. BMW emergency road assistance, your light control, universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder, let's take a look at the back door. Automatic window. The two rear door does come with sunshade that you can manually pull up or down to block some of the sunlight from coming into the car. There are plenty of space in the back seat. You can easily fit 3 large-sized adults in with any problem. There are plenty of leg rooms. And here's the view from the back to the front cabin. Very nice. The back does offer dual climate control also. Two 12-volt power outlet. Rear armrest can also be used as a 2-cup holder. Light. The trunk offers nearly 60 cubic feet of cargo space with both seats folded forward. Rear seat can be folded in 60-40 split for your convenience with retractable cargo cover. One push button, close. The BMW X6 interior offers rich looking and quality feelings. Though I said it can fit 3 large-sized adults in the back easily, the headroom could become a problem for a person that is taller because of the sloped roofline in the back. However, if you are looking for a luxury brand SUV with a sporty feel and look, the BMW X6 is the one to get. It offers tons of luxurious features and many of which come as a standard option. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in my next video reviews. Subscribe if you want more free video review on other cars. Also, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy. See you next time.